A hairpin bend, also known as a switchback, is a very sharp bend in a road or path that turns back almost 180 degrees. It is commonly found in mountainous or hilly areas where the terrain is steep and straight roads are impossible to build. Hairpin bends allow vehicles to climb or descend steep slopes gradually and safely, by zigzagging back and forth along the slope instead of going straight up or down. Why are hairpin bends necessary? In mountainous terrain, the gradient or steepness of the road must be controlled to prevent vehicles from losing traction or facing engine overload. If the road were too steep, vehicles would struggle to climb or could even skid while descending. Hairpin bends help reduce the slope by increasing the length of the road and spreading the climb over a longer distance. Features of hairpin bends: sharp angle. The angle of the bend is typically very acute, close to 180 degrees, meaning the road almost reverses its direction. Narrow width. Hairpin bends are often narrower compared to straight roads because of the constrained mountain terrain. Use of retaining walls. To support the road and prevent landslides, retaining walls are often constructed along the outer edge of the bend. Banking or super elevation. To counteract centrifugal force, the outer edge of the bend is often elevated, a process called super elevation, helping vehicles take the turn safely at moderate speeds. Design considerations. The radius of curvature of a hairpin bend is usually quite small, often between 15 to 30 meters, depending on the vehicle design and terrain. Adequate visibility is crucial. Sight distance must be maintained so drivers can see vehicles coming from the opposite direction. Proper signage and speed limits must be implemented to warn drivers of the sharp bend. Drainage must be managed carefully to avoid water accumulation and road damage. Advantages of hairpin bends: enables roads in steep, difficult terrain where straight routes are impossible. Reduces the gradient, making it easier for vehicles to ascend or descend. Economical compared to tunneling or massive earthworks. Disadvantages: traffic slows down significantly at hairpin bends. Higher risk of accidents due to sharp turns and narrow roads. Maintenance costs can be higher due to retaining walls and drainage structures. In conclusion, hairpin bends are vital engineering solutions in mountainous highway design. They balance safety and feasibility, allowing roads to navigate steep slopes effectively.